Could you please explain why cremation is forbidden in Islam?
Cremation. It is, in fact, every philosophy has distinct features about the concept of respect. And for example, in Europe, it is disrespectful to appear before elders with the cap on. You see, in English we say, I take my hat off to you. Hats off or hat off is an expression of respect. But it's exactly the opposite in the Oriental concept of respect. So Islamic social system also has a concept of respect of human beings. So it is a part of that social concept of respect that those who died should not be cremated, but they should be buried with respect, and they should be remembered ever after. And people, when they go to them, they should have a closer emotional contact with them, realizing that the same body is lying underneath, and that should help them in praying for them. So that is the emotional concept as well as the concept of respect which Islam has. So every religion has a right to issue injunctions according to its general philosophy and general framework. Yes,